Hi, I'm Deborah from South Essex Slings, and this is going to be a video about how to use the Dracomom Hatchling carrier. So this is a really soft, it's a strong stretchy fabric, but it's so soft and so squishy, and it's particularly aimed at newborn babies. So it will probably last up to around 6 to 8 months, depending on the weight of your child. But it's a really lovely option for those of you who want that feel of the stretchy wrap but want to clip. So this is a buckle carrier that feels really soft and squishy. So the first thing we need to do is size it to your baby. So you have these adjusters at the top, so you can pull these to shrink the height of the carrier if you need to. And then in the waistband there are Velcro, so that you can make the width smaller. So I'm going to shrink this in to fit my newborn sized doll. But it goes really quite narrow, so it technically does fit premature babies. But if you do have a premature baby and you want to use this, please get in touch with me if I'm your local library, or with your local sling library or baby wearing consultant, just for some more personalised support. So then we need to put your waistband on. Hold the carrier so that the outside is facing your body, and then turn that waistband in towards you and pop it on. Where your waistband goes depends on the height of your child. So you want baby's head up above squishy bits on the firm part of your chest. So wherever baby's bottom is where this waistband goes, and you want baby's bum to sort of sit by that label on the panel there, not right on top of that waistband. So the waistband will go quite high if you've got a small baby, and as baby gets bigger it will get a little bit lower. So if you find your baby and support them across their thighs so that their bottom almost sort of hangs over your arm slightly. This encourages that pelvic tilt and those knees up higher than bottom. And we're going to drop them down slightly over the top of that waistband. We don't want to sit them right on top of it. We want to drop them over that waistband slightly so that their bum comes into that panel. Okay, so bring this fabric up over their back. Shoulder straps can go over your shoulders. And if you try and keep sure that those are nice and flat and not twisted, it will be more comfortable for you. So the fabric's over baby. We'll just make sure that that fabric's into the knee pits on either side of baby, and that the top bit comes up to baby's neck. And check that baby's little hands are tucked up by their chin. Keeping one hand on baby's bottom. We're going to take your other hand behind you, stay close to your body and reach for the strap on the opposite side. Pull it down towards the floor, nice and snug. Pull it round and clip it in on the side there, and it pulls backwards to tighten. Repeat on the other side, one hand on baby, come around across your back. Find that strap, pull it down towards the floor, and then round to the side, clip and pull back to tighten. Once baby's in and you're feeling quite snug and secure, we're just going to go through some checks. First of all, are baby's airways clear and visible? So with a quick glance down, you can see baby's airways, there's nothing obstructing them, and the fabric isn't covering their head. We are then going to go down baby, we're going to scoop those knees up higher than bottom, straighten baby in the fabric if we need to, tuck those knees up so they've got that nice pelvic tilt, make sure they're well supported in there. Baby's airway should be clear and visible, and baby should be held tight enough to you so that they can't slump or fall away from your body. If you need to tighten it up a little bit, hold your strap, push the slack over your shoulder, pull the slack round towards that buckle, and then tighten it through. Slack over, slack round towards the buckle, and tighten. And that's gets all of that slack out of those straps without flattening baby to you while you're tightening. So that is the Dracomom Hatchling carrier. It's so beautiful for newborns. It's so simple and easy to use, but still soft and mouldable to them. If you have any problems with it, please give me a shout at South Essex Slings and I'm happy to help you. To get baby out again, keep one hand on baby, unclip the clips at the sides, take those straps down and you can pop baby down and then take your waistband off.